Gigi, and it's story time. And today I have two books. Both were written by Byron Barton. The first one is called The Little Red Hen. The second one will be Boats. Here we go. The Little Red Hen by Byron Barton. There we go. Once there were 4 friends, a pig, a duck, a cat, and a little red hen. One day, the little red hen was pecking at the ground, and she found some seeds. She went to her 3 friends and asked, "Who will help me plant these seeds?" "Not I," squealed the pig. "Not I," quacked the duck. "Not I," meowed the cat. "Then I will plant these seeds," said the little red hen, and she did. And the seeds sprouted and grew into large stalks of wheat. Then the little red hen asked her 3 friends, "Who will help me cut these stacks of wheat?" "Not I," meowed the cat. "Not I," squealed the pig. "Not I," quacked the duck. Not very nice friends. "Then I will cut the wheat," said the little red hen, and she did. Then the little red hen asked her friends, "Who will help me thresh this wheat?" "Not I," squealed the pig. "Not I," quacked the duck. "Not I," meowed the cat. "Then I will thresh the wheat," said the little red hen, and she did. Then the little red hen asked her friends, "Who will help me grind these grains of wheat into flour?" "Not I," squealed the pig. "Not I," quacked the duck. "Not I," meowed the cat. I think she needs new friends. "Then I will grind the wheat into the flour," said the little red hen, and she did. Then the little red hen asked her 3 friends, "Who will help me make this flour into bread?" "Not I," meowed the cat. "Not I," squealed the pig. "Not I," quacked the duck. "Then I will make the flour into bread," she said, and she did. Then the little red hen called to her friends, "Who will help me eat this bread?" "I will," quacked the duck. "I will," meowed the cat. "I will," squealed the pig. "Oh no," said the little red hen. "We will eat the bread. Look at her babies." And her not so good friends. And they did. And the little red hen, and they did. The little red hen and her 3 little chicks. They ate the bread. The next one is Boats. On the water, there goes a rowboat. Here comes a sailboat sailing by. Gigi goes on sailboats. There is a motorboat speeding through the waves. A fireboat rushes to put out a fire. A ferry boat carries people and cars. There goes a fishing boat out to sea. Here comes a cruise ship into the harbor. Here comes a tugboat to help the ship dock. Here is the tugboat pushing and pulling. Look how small it is. Here is the ship at the dock. Here are the workers loading the ship. Here are the people going on board. Here are the people waving goodbye. There goes the ship sailing away. Bon voyage. That's it for today. Gigi's blowing you kisses, goldfishes. I love you so much and I can't wait to see you. Until then, until later, stay sweet, parakeets.